Scientific benefits of Ramadan. Boosts brain function. Fasting increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which improves memory, learning, and cognitive function. It enhances neuroplasticity, helping the brain adapt to changes and resist neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 2 supports weight loss and metabolism. Fasting promotes fat metabolism by switching the body into a fat-burning state, ketosis. It regulates blood sugar and reduces insulin resistance, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Detoxification and cell regeneration. Ramadan fasting activates autophagy, a process where the body removes damaged cells and regenerates new, healthier ones. This helps protect against cancer, aging, and inflammation. Improves heart health. Fasting reduces cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and inflammation, lowering the risk of heart disease. It enhances blood circulation and arterial flexibility. 5 boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Fasting helps regulate the immune system and reduces chronic inflammation, which is linked to diseases like arthritis, asthma, and cardiovascular conditions. Psychological and spiritual secrets. Enhances mental clarity and focus. Fasting reduces brain fog and mental fatigue, making you more alert and productive. Increased dopamine and serotonin levels promote a happier, more balanced mood. Strengthens willpower and self-discipline. Abstaining from food, water, and negative habits helps develop self-control, patience, and resilience. Deepens spiritual connection and gratitude. Fasting helps individuals detach from materialism, focus on self-reflection, and appreciate life's blessings. Increased prayer, meditation, and charity elevate inner peace and purpose. Encourages empathy and community bonding. Experiencing hunger fosters compassion for the less fortunate. Ramadan promotes family gatherings, community support, and generosity through acts like zakat, charity. Resets sleep patterns and biological rhythms. Fasting helps regulate circadian rhythms, improving sleep quality and reducing insomnia. Melatonin production is optimized, leading to deeper and more restorative sleep. Secret facts you may not know. Fasting stimulates stem cell production, which aids in regeneration and healing. It reduces oxidative stress, slowing the aging process. Studies show fasting can increase lifespan by activating longevity genes. Fasting reduces cravings for sugar and processed foods, helping break unhealthy eating patterns. The spiritual benefits of mindfulness, prayer, and gratitude further enhance overall well-being. Conclusion: Ramadan isn't just a religious obligation, it's a holistic detox for the mind, body, and soul. From enhancing brain function and immunity to fostering spiritual growth and empathy, the benefits are profound. Would you like tips on how to maximize the benefits of Ramadan?